Question answer of chapter 4, matter and its state. Question 1, what is matter made up of? Answer, matter is made up of molecules. Now come to give short answer. Second, why solids cannot be pressed easily? Answer, there is a strong force of attraction between the particles, that is why solids cannot be pressed easily. Now come to third, what makes liquid take the shape of the container they are poured in? Answer, there is some space between particles and intermediate force of attraction that makes liquid take the shape of the container they are poured in. Now come to next question. Give an example to show that substances expand on heating and contract on cooling. Answer, metal rim that expand on heating and contract on cooling. Now come to next question. How does the movement of particles change on heating and cooling a substance? Answer, the particles of substance vibrate more on heating. On cooling, the movement of particles slows down. Now come to next question, that is, how is solution formed? Answer, a solution is formed when two substances are evenly mixed together. Next, answer the following questions. In which way is the arrangement of particles related to the states of matter? Answer, in solids, closely packed particles. In liquid, particles not as closely packed as solids, there is some space between the particles. In gases, particles are loosely packed, have large space between them. Then, question 2, describe the change of state in terms of movement of particles. Answer, the change of state in terms of movement of particles are as follows: melting, changing of a solid into liquid on heating; freezing, changing of liquid into solid on cooling. Question 3, describe the physical and chemical change with example. Physical change, a change in which no new substance is formed. Example, melting of ice, sharpening of pencil. Chemical change, a change in which a new substance with new properties. Okay. Then explain the process of contraction and expansion in terms of particles movement. Answer, the increase in size of matter on heating is called expansion. When a substance cools down, it gets slightly smaller in size, is called contraction. Now come to next. Give reason for the following. Liquids do not have definite shape and definite volume. Reason, due to weak force of attraction between the particles. Okay. Then a gas convert into liquid on cooling. Reason, on cooling the movement of particles slows down, they come close to each other. That is why a gas convert into liquid on cooling. Breaking of glass is a physical change. Reason, on breaking the glass, a piece of glass looks different, but it is still a piece of glass. It means there is no new substances is formed. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you, students.